Canceling a shipment on Amazon FBA involves a few straightforward steps. Here's how to do it. Log into Seller Central. Access your Amazon Seller Central account using your credentials. Navigate to Shipment Management. Go to the Inventory tab and select Manage FBA Shipments from the drop-down menu. Find the shipment to cancel. Locate the shipment you wish to cancel from the list of your shipments. You can search by shipment ID, status, or other relevant details. Select the shipment. Click on the shipment you want to cancel to open its details page. Cancel the shipment. On the shipment details page, look for the option to delete shipment or cancel shipment. Click this option. Confirm cancellation. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to cancel the shipment. This action will remove the shipment from your shipment plan. Update inventory plan. If you had planned to ship multiple shipments, make sure to update your inventory plans accordingly. Notify your carrier. If you had already scheduled a pickup or drop-off with the carrier, contact them to inform them of the cancellation to avoid any unnecessary charges.